Let's make a traveler notebook insert. Hey crafty friends, it's Tammy and thanks for joining me. Today, I have a quick and easy tutorial on how to make a traveler notebook insert. They are my favorite go-to crafty item to make. What I love about this project is that it's repeatable and you don't have to guess or estimate where to make your folds and cuts. Oftentimes, when you stack papers on top of one another, the center pages extend beyond the cover, leaving overhang. The measurements that I provide will eliminate the overhang, but also allow for flips and page size variety. This will add interest to your book. Keep in mind, the pages are not necessarily flushed with the cover, but it works well. For this project, you will need 10 sheets of paper, a scoreboard, a paper trimmer, a stapler, and something to make a large circle. It's a great project to use your single-sided paper, although you can also use double-sided paper if you want. So here are the measurements for your 10 sheets of paper. I like to include foil and vellum paper to most of my books. All your papers will be 8.5 inches tall. I label each paper A through J. When you flip through your book, the cover is A, the second page is B, and so on until you get to the center page, which is the circle denoted as J. I cut a couple of papers at the same time so that I can make multiple books in one session. I set the books aside and will decorate them when I'm ready to do so. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.